back at it again today with this new beautiful ride. And where are we going?
Going to get our puppy.
Yes, boss. The drive is close to the end. The puppies are waiting. Let's go snag one for ourselves. So where is our body? Where is our body? Where is our one? Sub dog. This is ours. This is my home dog. Oh, dude. G-dog. Happy you. Hey brothers, what you doing? This is it, Joppe. You and me. Friends. We're gonna say goodbye to your brothers. Joppe! Joppe! It's like a little runner. This is not a runner. Running up the streets. Finally a moment of peace. Joppe is sleeping, I'm gonna join him. Great ride here, crazy dog jumping around. But now he's sleeping and he's ready for us to take him home. Sara, how are you doing?
Good, very well.
He's a little bit tired. We played around, he was sleeping. I think now he's gonna get cozy. Let's drive home, and on the way let's stop when needed and let's enjoy the ride, this time with Joppe. Okay, first stop. Driver needs some barbecue. Sara and Joppe playing around. First playing around in the wilderness. I need to rest my legs from the driving. Love how his tail is spinning. I think he is enjoying himself. And we're home, but of course Joppe already running around. Joppe, did you already show people who's the boss in the street? Who's running these hoods?